Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. In last video we looked about this compliance and all these royalties, plan passport, license certificate, etc. But in this video we will see about this analytics of this crop availability versus sales, loss, shrink, etc. So first of all available here is crop profitability. So here in this provided or you can easily see here this crop profitability based on this crop different like a rate rows, and also see here based on this location, varieties, etc. And provided here as a graph view in bar chart, line chart, pie chart, etc. And also see here and provided here as a list view. Next is the availability versus sales report. So provided here this which for how many available, like a 1500 available forecast and none available, this all. Next is the losses and shrinkage. It means mortality. Some plants get like a disease, a weathers, so not grow more. So here it's defined this how many killed, like a 40 quantity lost, cost of the loss total 100. Same here as a display graph view, list view, etc. Now next one is the space utilization. So space utilizes in different type like benches, greenhouse, sites, width occupied and total capacity. So display here in this list view total area type, full location name, and this climate controlled. Now next one is the task compilation. So tasking available is how many post on, how many tunes, how many in this QC's checks, and how many in this spaces. So available here this spaces in crop available total, the 6 number for total 4 planned hour, and no available here this 4 actual hours. So QC checks in available same. Now peons in available total 3 planned hours, and poton available total 8. So you can easily define here this how much planned hour for this specific task compliance. Now next one is the spray chemical load. So now define here this fungicides chemical types for this total quantity available 300. Display here as a graph view, list view, and also provided here this calendar view. And now last one is a display here this royalty statement. So royalty statement will display here this full details of the reference number with reader name, duration, total units, total royalty bonds, and status is draft. In a list view and graph view, in a line chart, pie chart, etc. So next video we'll see about this PDF report for the plan. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.